here in this verse it is said that by rendering devotional service in terms of what he has heard from Vedanta Shruti. So one is performing devotional service to Supreme Personality of Godhead, but this service is often done through the devotee of Krishna. As in the purport also said that later on that Bhagavata, two types of Bhagavata is there. One is person Bhagavat and second is book Bhagavat. So by serving the person Bhagavat, one very easily gets connected to Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is the process of deity worship where one serves the deities and learn how to serve him, and he gets emotional attachment. But the next is also very important of serving his pure devotee. And even if you are not finding any pure devotee, just serve in the mission of pure devotee, where there are so many devotees are there, sadhakas are there who are trying to perfect their life. By serving them, we make our life successful. So Krishna loves that someone is serving his devotee. It is said that if you love me, love my dog. So anything which is related to a person which is very dear to him, if you serve that person in that way, or his representative, if you serve him, then that person becomes very much happy. Similarly, Krishna becomes happy when we serve his devotee or the mission of his pure devotee. Many times you may not be serving directly a pure devotee, but you may be serving his instruction, what is available through his instruction. We may be engaged in that activity, and by engaged in that activity, we actually perfect our life. Suta Goswami, just by rendering service to his spiritual master, Vyasdeva, he was engaged in the service of Vyasdeva. He was not a regular student who was studying the Vedas under him. He was just a very menial, humble student who was serving the different orders of spiritual master. And by this service of his, Vyasdeva completely got satisfied, and one day he embraced Suta Goswami and he said, whatever knowledge I am having, I am just giving to you. So he did not go through the regular process of learning, but that same knowledge was imparted to him when his spiritual master was very much satisfied. The spiritual master of, in our Sampradaya, we see Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. He was an illiterate person, but was he not realized person? He was realized, completely realized. Externally, it may appear that he is illiterate, but all the essence of Vedic scriptures are revealed in his heart. How? Because he has served the spiritual master of him. He has realized absolute truth. And this absolute truth just cannot be realized by the materialistic process of studying. By materialistic process of studying, you may remember so many slokas. You may remember all the Bhagavatam. You may be very nice Kathakar, but that will not change or transform the heart. There are many Kathakar, it is said that they recite Bhagavatam very nicely, but after Bhagavatam they require bidi also. So that means they feel that this Bhagavatam is only for their material benefit, and this is of no use for their inner change. Similarly, there are many motivational speakers who motivates others, but they fail to motivate themselves. They fail to motivate themselves, and sometimes they commit suicide. Actually, everyone goes through some difficult situations in his life, but if someone is committing suicide, that means what? And especially those who are in the position of leader, who are motivating others, that means they have failed to address themselves properly. So this Bhagavatam, the knowledge of this Bhagavatam, book Bhagavatam, one can remember, one can memorize, but unless and until it has gone into the heart, it will not change the person. And when this knowledge goes into the heart, when the Krishna sees that he is performing devotional service nicely, he is serving my devotee, and when such devotees are pleased, Krishnas are pleased, then he gives that understanding by which he can decipher whatever he has received.